Are you one of the 97% who has failed in network marketing? If so, you owe it to yourself and your family to check out Ready Built Downline. What Ready Built Downline is about is building a team joining a network marketing company. And what that means to you is your downline is growing in a way that maximizes the comp plan of the business. The Ready Built Downline team diligently analyzes a network marketing business. When you join Ready Built Downline, will be a strong business with a high payout in the comp plan. Ready Built Downline, changing the face of network marketing.
Welcome to MLMRC.COM. If you're currently doing a network marketing business and you're trying to build a downline, then you've come to the right place. We match up real people seeking home business opportunities with real network marketers like you. We've helped hundreds of network marketers just like you to quickly build their downlines. Now let us help you. We have many registered prospects who are ready to join the right network marketing opportunity like yours. So our goal is to help you build your downline fast, regardless of which network marketing company you're with. Our fully automated recruiting system works with any network marketing company, such as Amway, Herbalife, Mary Kay, Avon, Nu Skin, or any MLM company in which you need to recruit and build a downline. Our automated recruiting system will do all the hard work of finding quality new members to join your downline. Our system will work around the clock to build your downline for you. All you do is sit back, relax, and watch your downline grow. Now we can help you to build your downline fast, easy, and achieve the success you want. On this page, you'll discover how we can help you to immediately add dozens of new members to your team. So take a few minutes to review the information on this page, and let's work together to get you all the downline members you want in the next few weeks. Thank you.